Ladies and gentlemen, the American jury and Bulldog Nation, I don't think there's any question that AI is the technology of today, the same way the internet, the iPhone, the cell phone, all of those innovations changed our economy. They changed the world. AI, of course, is doing that. And I thought that I would give you my thoughts about how AI is going to change the world of law. First and foremost, there is no question that AI, just like it is in every other field, can be a useful tool. I don't know if it even can be dangerous, really. Not in law. But here is how AI is going to be used, is being used, and I see as a great asset relative to attorneys in the practice of law, even judges, prosecutors, you name it, is that you can now punch in Google, for example, AI, and you can get answers to questions on any legal issue for whatever state you have. And you know what? It's pretty darn good. So it eliminates a lot of time and effort, and if you're a layperson, the need for an attorney to get an answer to a legal question. And attorneys are going to use that for legal research. And the applications of that, just so you know, in law involve research, drafting pleadings, checking the opponent's research, checking your own, editing. I mean, it's incredible. And I think it's a positive development. Here is where AI will never, ever, ever replace in the law. There are way too many strategic and discretionary decisions that involve all of those subjective elements of those facts and circumstances that AI cannot replace. What I'm talking about is AI can tell you what the law is on a criminal case. They can tell you what the charges are, what the sentencing is, just like this. They can't tell you strategically what plea you should take, what your discretionary act should be. Go to trial, don't go to trial. It just can't. That is something that the human element is going to always stay involved in the practice of law. I want all of you to know that you got to be careful because there's obviously quote-unquote mistakes. There's been some famous cases recently where a law firm got berated by a judge for citing AI law which doesn't exist. Like, you know, there can be glitches, so to speak, and you got to be careful. But hell, there's glitches if you do it yourself. I want you to know that I personally am using this now all the time. I'm punching in legal questions to get me started all day long. It's a good start. It's a good start. But you need experience, knowledge, and ability and judgment to take that to the next step. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. Have a great day.